There comes a moment after 60, a quiet moment, often early in the morning. You swing your legs out of bed, place your feet on the floor, and suddenly your legs don't feel the way they used to. Maybe they feel shaky. Maybe they feel heavy. Maybe they feel weak, as if someone stole your strength overnight. And in that moment, the thought hits you, is this it? Is this just old age? But let me tell you something. Here, in the voice of elderly wisdom, something that 90% of seniors never hear, weak legs are not a normal part of aging. They do not mean your life is slowing down. They do not mean your freedom is ending. In fact, weak legs after 60 have real, fixable causes. And today, we are going to fix them. Because your legs carry your independence, your dignity, your confidence, your ability to walk, drive, travel, pray, live, freely. You deserve that strength back. So today, we're going deep. This is not a simple tips video. This is not a do 10 exercises and call it a day video. No. This is a message of transformation, a message of hope, a message for you. We're going to uncover the 5 hidden causes of weak legs after 60 in a way no doctor, no article, no hospital pamphlet has ever explained to you. By the time this video ends, your fear will turn into clarity. Your weakness will turn into action. Your future will look stronger than your past. This is elderly wisdom, and this is your moment. Let's begin. Section 1. If your legs feel weak, you are not alone. Millions of seniors wake up every day wondering, why are my legs getting thinner? Why do I lose balance? Why do stairs feel harder? Why do my knees shake when I stand? Why do I feel tired after walking a few minutes? But the saddest part, most people simply accept it. They blame aging. They blame bad luck. They blame genes. But strength is not lost in one day. Weakness doesn't appear magically. It happens slowly, quietly, almost invisibly, until one day, the legs feel weaker than the heart wants them to be. But remember this, your legs are not failing you. They are asking for help. And today, we're going to give them exactly that. SECTION2, True Hook, the real reason your legs are weak after 60. Let's break the myth once and for all. Your legs are not weak because you got older. Your legs are weak because of 5 specific things happening inside your body. Once you identify these 5 causes, you don't just stop leg weakness. You reverse it. You rebuild your strength. You get your confidence back. And yes, people over 60, 70, even 80 rebuild strong legs every single day. I've seen 75-year-olds climb mountains again. I've seen 68-year-olds walk like they're 40. I've seen 82-year-olds throw away their walkers. You are capable of far more than you think. So let's begin uncovering the truth. Cause 1. Muscle loss, the silent thief after 60, the #1 reason your legs feel weaker, and the easiest one to fix if you are over 60. There is one invisible enemy stealing your strength every year, muscle loss, starting around 50. The body loses 1 to 2% of muscle every year. After 60, it speeds up. After 70, it can become dramatic. But here's the beautiful truth. Your muscles still grow at any age. Even at 80, even at 90. The idea that seniors can't build muscle is not just wrong. It is dangerous. Your legs are weak today not because you're old, but because your muscles have not been activated, fed, and strengthened in the right way. This is why standing becomes harder, sitting down feels slow. The bed feels deeper, walking feels tiring. Balance feels shaky. It all comes back to muscle. But most seniors never rebuild their muscles because of 2 mistakes. Mistake 1, doing only walking. Walking is excellent, but walking does not rebuild lost muscle. You need resistance, even gentle resistance. Without resistance, walking becomes like writing with a weak pencil. You're moving, but nothing is building. Mistake 2, lack of protein. Most people over 60 eat less protein than their body needs. And guess what? You cannot grow muscle without building blocks, just like a house cannot be built without bricks. The good news, muscle loss is the most reversible cause of weak legs. Studies show that people in their 60s, 70s, and even 90s can rebuild 20 to 40% leg strength in just 6 to 12 weeks with simple changes. You're not losing strength because of age. You're losing strength because no one taught you how to rebuild it. Until now. Cause 2, poor blood circulation. When blood flow weakens, so do your legs, because your legs rely on blood. 4, oxygen nutrients repair. If your legs often feel heavy, cold, numbing, tingling at the ankles, these are signs your circulation is slowing down, And when circulation weakens, the legs don't get the energy they need. Imagine watering a plant with a tiny trickle of water. It survives, but it doesn't thrive. Your legs are the same, but here's the secret. You can improve circulation even at 80 or 90. Just a few simple habits like ankle circle shall raise like calf pumps it into standing practice. Short 10-minute daily walk can dramatically improve blood flow, and once the blood flows better, walking becomes lighter, legs feel warmer, energy returns, strength improves, pain reduces, your legs bloom again. Cause 3. Nerve weakness and balance decline if your legs feel wobbly. If you feel unsure when walking, if you hold on to walls, tables, or chairs, this is often nerve-related, not muscle-related. The nerves in your legs communicate where your feet are, how your body is balancing, how strong to contract one to stabilize yabit after 60. Nerves can weaken due to low vitamin B1 to diabetes, or borderline diabetes, or footwear spine issues, hitting the long lack of balance training this leads. 2. Shaky legs, slower walking, mild numbness, loss of confidence, higher fall risk. But here's the good news. Nerves can be strengthened. Balance can be trained, and confidence can return. Even a simple daily routine of standing on one leg while holding a chair slow, lifting one foot, closing eyes for 3 seconds while standing, practicing a gentle heel-to-toe walk can rebuild the communication between your legs and your brain. When your nerves return, your legs stop feeling like they're not yours. They become stable, strong, trustworthy. Cause 4. Joint stiffness and lack of mobility. This is one of the most ignored causes. You might say, my legs are weak, but what if they're not weak? What if they're just stuck? After 60, knees stiffen, hips tighten, ankles lose flexibility, joints get dry, movement becomes limited. When joints stiffen, muscles stop working properly. You may think you're losing strength, but really, your joints are blocking your muscles, like a door that doesn't open smoothly. But here's the miracle. Even 70-year-old joints can become smoother, freer, and lighter with gentle mobility exercises. Just 5 minutes a day can reduce stiffness, improve walking speed, increase leg strength, improve ability to stand up, reduce the fear of falling. Your body wants to move. It was designed to move. It blossoms when you move it gently. Cause 5. Inactivity and the sitting problem. This is the true hidden cause behind everything. The average person over 60 spends 911 hours a day sitting. The body is a machine designed for motion. When you sit too long, muscles shrink, joints stiffen, blood flow slows, nerves weaken, balance declines, fatigue increase, legs lose power. Your legs aren't weak because you walk too little. They're weak because you sat too much. But every day you stand, every time you move, every time you stretch, every time you practice a small exercise, your legs come back to life. Movement is medicine. Movement is healing. Movement is rebirth. Part 1 closing. Here is part 2. You have already taken the most important step. You understood why your legs became weak. Now we take the next step. We fix it. Not next week, not someday, not when life gets easier. No, today, because your legs are waiting for you. Your strength is waiting for you. Your independence is waiting for you. And so, with a calm breath, with a heart ready for hope, with a mind open to possibility, let's begin rebuilding you. FIX1. Rebuild your muscles. Gently, daily, powerfully. Weak legs are not about age. They're about unused muscles. But the beautiful truth? Even at 60, 70, 80, 90, your muscles can grow again. Your legs can become strong again. Your balance can return again. All you need are 3 things. Gentle resistance, daily signals to the muscle, enough protein to rebuild. Let's break this down beautifully and simply. Step 1. The sit-to-stand miracle. This is the single greatest leg strengthening exercise for seniors. You don't need equipment. You don't need a gym. You don't need to get on the floor. You just need a chair. How to do it: slow, safe, senior-friendly. Sit on the edge of the chair, feet flatly and forward slightly. Stand up slowly. Sit down slowly. Keep your knees steady. Keep your arms crossed or touching the chair. Lightly. Goal 5 to 10 per day. Do it slowly. Do it mindfully. Do it with confidence. The difference this makes in 3 weeks is life-changing. This one exercise builds thigh muscles, strengthens hips, improves balance, makes standing easier, makes walking smoother, reduces fall risk, restores confidence. This one exercise is your new best friend. Step 2. The wall push for legs. Most people think pushes are for arms, but for seniors, They also strengthen the legs by activating the entire chain of balance muscles. How to do it. Stand. Facing a wall, place palms flat on and lean gently. Forward push, back to straight. Repeat slowly. This exercise wakes up the forgotten leg stabilizers, the ones that keep you upright, the ones that help you walk with confidence. Step 3. Mini marching. The balance strength inertiated or standing. Lift each knee slightly, as if marching slowly in place. This improves hip strength, improves walking speed, strengthens core, wakes up leg muscles, improves blood flow. 20 gentle marches a day, and your legs begin to feel alive again. Step 4. Protein. To fuel your legs. We're starving. For most people over 60 eat half the protein they need. Protein is to cement your muscles. Rebuild with. No protein equals no strength. You don't need powders or supplements unless you want them. You just need efficientaries. Just even one protein-rich meal per day can make a massive difference. Your muscles are waiting. Feed them, strengthen them, rebuild them. Fix2. Improve circulation. Bring life back into your legs. Weak circulation makes legs feel heavy. Coldingly bulk circulation is one of the easiest things to fix. Try these daily. Leg pump exercise. Your natural blood booster. Sit on a chair. Lift your heels up. Lower them. Repeat 20 times. This pumps blood from the feet upward. It wakes up your calves, your second heart. Ankle circles. Smooth, gentle. Healing. Lift one foot and draw circles. Do this slowly. Do this peacefully. Do this with intention. This simple movement increases blood flow throughout the lower leg. The 2-minute walk rule. Every hour. Walk for just 2 minutes. Not 20 minutes. Not 10 minutes. Just to. This prevents blood from pooling in your legs. It stops stiffness. It keeps energy moving. Your heart will thank you. Your legs will thank you. Your future self will thank you. Fix 3. Strengthen your nerves and balance. If you feel unsteady, wobbly, is nerves and balance. But you can train your balance gently and safely. The chair touch balance exercise. Stand behind a chair. Hold it lightly. Lift 1 foot 1 inch. Hold 5 seconds. Switch legs. Repeat 5 to 10 times. This improves nerve signal speed, stability, walking confidence, leg control. You will feel the improvement in days. The heel 2. To walk in a straight line, placing the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other. This is a powerful balance trainer. Is slow, gentle, beautifully effective. Vitamin B12. The nerve protector. Low B12 weakens leg nerves. Foods rich in B12. Eggs, fish, dry carry cereals. This one nutrient can restore nerve strength. Fix 4. Lubricate your joints. Unlock mobilistic joints. Make legs feel weak, but tightness is reversable. Your joints need movement the way plants need sunlight. The knee glides. Sit with feet flat. Slowly slide 1 foot forward, then back. Gentle, smooth, pain-free. This lubricates the knee joint. The hip circle. Hold a counter or wall. Make gentle circles with your hip. Start tiny. Increase slowly. This brings back hip freedom, which is crucial for walking. The ankle flex. Point your toes forward, then pull them back toward you. This increases ankle mobility, which seniors often lose without noticing. Fix 5. Break the sitting habit. The real secret to strong leg sitting is the new smoking, especially for legs. Leg weakness begins the moment movement stops, but the moment you start moving again, your legs come alive. The 30-minute freedom rule. Every 30 minutes, stand up, stretch, walk to steps, rotate ankles, lift heels, open your chest, breathe deep. 20 seconds of movement prevents hours worth of stiffness. Change how you sit. Most seniors sit in positions that shut off the leg muscles. So, sit upright, keep feet flat, keep hips higher than knees cushions. If needed, this keeps your leg muscles awake. Create a gentle daily movement ritual. Just 5 minutes a day. Heel raise. S2. Stand ankle circle. Slow marching. Gentle stretching. This makes weak legs impossible. The mindset shift. You are still stronger than you realize. And listen carefully. Strength after 60 is not physical first. It is mental. It is emotional. It is spiritual. You must believe. I can improve. My legs will get stronger. I am not done yet. My life is still full of possibility. Because the moment you stop believing you can grow, you stop growing. The moment you think you're weak, your body listens. But the moment you think, I am capable, I can do this, my legs will carry me again, your body listens to. So choose belief. Choose strength. Choose hope. The 21-day leg rebuild plan. Simple. Senior safe. Day 1 to 7. Wake up the legs. 10. Sit to stand. 20. Ankle circles 20, heel lifts 20, slow marches 2. Minutes walking day 8 to 14. Strengthen. And balance 10, sit 2, stand 5, one leg balances 3. Heel 2 to walks 30, marches 3. Minutes walking day 15 to 21. Rebuild power 12. Sit 2, stand 10, one leg balances 40. Marches for minutes walking knee glide ship. Circle speed day 21. Your legs feel different. Your steps feel stronger. Your confidence returns. Your independence grows. Your posture improves. Your energy rises. The emotional closing. A message from elderly wisdom to your heart. Let me speak to you softly, gently. From a place of sincerity, your legs have carried you through every chapter of life. They carried you as a child, as a teenager, as an adult. Through work, love, family, loss, joy, memories, challenges, and victories. They carried you through decades of life. And now, they are simply asking you, do not give up on us now. Your legs are not weak. They are waiting. They are sleeping. They are ready to be awakened again. You are not done living. You are not done moving. You are not done becoming stronger. Age did not take your strength. You simply stopped being shown how to rebuild it. But now, you know. Now, you can rise. Now, you can reclaim what was always yours. Your independence, your confidence, your power, your freedom. This is your story, your comeback, your return. And elderly wisdom will walk beside you every step of the way, because you are not fragile. You are not weak. You are not fading. You are not done. You are growing. You are awakening. You are rising again. Your legs will carry you into the next beautiful chapter of your life, and you deserve every step of it.